Hello, Long, South Carolina, 29568. Thanks for joining me today. This is your monthly market update for March 2024. And you can see now I'm also including 23 as we go along so you can compare. So let's go to March. Average price is 328.54 and it's up but down from January. We went really down in February and then went back up in March, and I'll do the April's next week. And then we have to wait until the beginning of June before I can do May's. Okay, so let's see. Average days on market went down from last year, 167 to 130, so that's good. Average price per square foot went up by $3 compared to 138. This is good. The month of supply went down from 5.2 to 3.9 in 2024. Active listings, but remember, Longs, you have so much new construction. You're the new place where all the building is going on because there's nothing, up near North Myrtle Beach anymore, so everything has to go west. And you're the closest to get to, so you're going to sell out before Loris will, those wanting to be closer to the beach. Okay, so you have 269 compared to 244. Look at these pending sales. There's a lot of people moving here. 113 compared to 61 last year. 82 closed sales compared to 64. So this is all good news for Longs. If you are looking to sell, it's a great time to sell because your prices are going back up. If you're a buyer, perfect time because there's a lot of inventory, a lot to choose from. So, and if you're looking for a new home, always remember that the person in there works for the builder. They do not represent you. You don't get a deal if you go through them, but this is what does happen. If there's a problem and you don't have an agent like myself helping you out, which costs you nothing, then you are in trouble because guess what? You have no representation. The builders, the person sitting in there works for the builders. So call me at 843-222-7800. I've been doing it for 24 years and I'd love to help both a seller and buyers. Thanks. Take care. Bye-bye.